Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the type error. Uh, how how to solve the type error issues in the Python. Today I'm going to discuss about. Okay, a type error in Python occurs when you attempt to perform an operation on an object of an inappropriate or unsupported types. Unsupported types, data types. Here are some common examples of type error. I will show you. For example, here I will show you. You are assigned int variable int number is to num variable and hello is a some string, and you assign to the text variable. You want to concatenate these two, but you will get the type error because unsupported operand type less int and string. Suppose if you want to concatenate these two, either you have to convert these to the number to the, you have to typecast this to the string format, then only you will solve this issue. See, now you are getting the this type error. Suppose if you want to solve this, you like you convert number to the string, then you will get pi hello output as a, that error will be solved and you will get pi hello. And one more example. Here, this is the number equal to 1 2 3 4 5, right? And you are retrieving the number of 2, but it is not possible. Indexing of number. Int object is not subscriptable. Suppose if you want to fetch the number of this index number, in the number of second index, you have to convert this integer to the string. Here I will first, you have to convert this and that number to the string, or directly string of, here you will get string of str of 1 2 3 4 5, and then you will solve that problem. See, now you will get here the digit, you will get the second index number. Second index 0 1 2, second index number is 3. You are getting, you got the 3. And one more example for the type error, here calling non-callable objects. You are calling this is the x equal to 42. You are assigned some number to a variable, you are calling that variable, but this is not a function to call a variable. Int object is not callable, correct? So if you want to get that number directly, you can take that number, get x, you will print out, will print that x number. One more example, fourth one, incompatible function arguments. For example, inside a function, now you are calling, similarly first example, see, this is the similar to first example. Now this is the string and this is the number. You are trying to add that number, but it will written as can only concatenate string, not int. See, this is the string, this is int. How you will concatenate now, right? When you want to concatenate, this should be integer, should be string. You can concatenate to typecast to string format. Otherwise, you will concatenate, typecast to integer format. There are two ways. Here, one way I will show you. This should be integer format, int of 5. Now you will solve that here. the error will be solved. See, now here we are typecasting the string format to the integer format. This 5 plus 3, 8. Suppose if you want to, uh, this 5 should be as it is. I don't want to change anything. I have to change the 3. So at that time, you have to typecast to the string, convert to the string format. At that time, 5 3 will get output as, see, output as 5. Like this, you have to see the type error. Now, fifth one, mixing data types with built-in functions. See, now we are checking the len of 42. In we don't have the integer len function for integer. See, we how many length, how much length is present, how much length is for 42. Um, we don't have that function. Like, see, object of type int has no length. Suppose if you want to find out the length for this, you can concatenate, sorry, typecast to the string format. At the time, you will get the length of this 42. Now you are solved that issue, right? Here, for now, you are the incorrect usage of type conversion functions. Here, text is the we are assigning variable. Some 1, 2, 3, 4 is the 5 is a number. This we are converted to the string format, like, and that we are assigning to the text variable, and that text variable we are converting to the integer format. So here that integer format, we want to check the index of 2, but you will get type error issue. Why? If for integer we don't have the, we don't that is not subscriptable, because we can't find out a that index for the integer. Suppose you really want to find out that, here you see I mentioned here, directly you can find out the index for that text of 2. You will get the 0 1 2 index is, second index is 3. And here invalid method calls, invalid method calls in this. Here my list is one list, where 1 2 3 is a list, and we are assigned to the my list variable, and for that list we are appending 4 comma 5. Is this possible? No, right? You will get the type error. See, list append takes exactly 1 argument, but 2 are given. At that time, whenever you want to append a variable, append a number, or append some value to the list, you have to give this 4 comma 5 in a tuple or in the list. You will, here see my list output of my list is E. Like this you can assign, or else you will assign as in the format of list. Also it is text. See, 4 comma 5 also it will text. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this particular video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.